I don't know who will be the ones whose lives matter the most. To Amazon, probably the women. Maybe she'll wear one of those pink hats. Because if my portrayal of Bronwyn on Lord of the Rings is inspired by the brave women in my homeland of Iran, whose risk everything for a better tomorrow is dedicated to every woman on the front lines of change. Okay? Okay? You know, the idea that her journey, the fact that she's, you know, I'm called Bronwyn, the fantastical version of myself, because she's an activist. I'm an activist. She's a healer. I was pre-med. We have so much in common. So yeah, she told showbiz junkies.
Motherfuckers need to learn how to fucking drive!
Everybody loves self-inserts. Nobody has ever memed on self-inserts before. It's just, and no matter what, like Lord of the Rings, Rings of Power, featurette shows the
military has to impose a tax for its services to protect you from foreign invasion, and it has to be forced, otherwise no one will pay it, because they'll assume their neighbors will pay for it and they'll be able to benefit from it for free. And there's no way outside, there's no way to solve the free rider problem when it comes to military defense, because it's basically a distributed good. It's not something you can take. It's like even when it comes to firefighter services, you can make the firefighters only put out the fires if you've paid your fire insurance, which actually has happened. Like in private fire insurance, if someone doesn't pay.
They all have to go along with the talking points 100%, or again, the frontal-like nature that they've induced amongst their own remora will be turned against them. And so whenever the machine puts out new talking orders for their platform, they all got to conform immediately, even if it doesn't make any fucking sense. No, I totally get it. I 100% agree.
That pride flag, the stupid fucking one with the Nazi swastika in it, that is the Democrat flag. And they're hoisting it over things that they consider that they've taken over. Definitely, spot on. I think I'm saying lefties grew up without a dad who gives that look and says